Most people think they're hydrated just because they drink a lot of water. But that's not always true. You can drink bottle after bottle all day and still feel tired, foggy, dry, crampy, or just off.
And that's because hydration is not just about water. It's about how your body actually uses that water. A lot of people are drinking water the wrong way. They ignore it all day, then chug a huge amount at once. They work out, sweat like crazy, and only replace plain water. They drink coffee, stay busy, forget to hydrate, then wonder why they feel awful by mid-afternoon. And some people think the goal is to drink as much water as possible. It's not. The goal is to stay balanced. Your body does not need random extremes. It needs steady hydration. That means drinking water consistently through the day, instead of trying to catch up all at once.
Because when you chug a giant amount in one shot, that doesn't automatically mean better hydration. More is not always better. Better is better. And here's another thing people forget. When you sweat, you're not just losing water. You're also losing electrolytes. These are minerals like sodium and potassium that help your body maintain fluid balance, support muscle function, and keep nerves working the way they should.
So if you've been sweating a lot, working out hard, spending time in the heat, traveling, or dealing with vomiting or diarrhea, plain water may not always be enough by itself.
That doesn't mean you need fancy powders every day. It just means there are times when your body may need more than water alone. This is where people either overdo it or completely miss the point. On one side, you've got people treating hydration like a sport, forcing down massive bottles all day for no reason. On the other side, you've got people who barely drink anything, then panic hydrate at night. Neither one is ideal. The smarter way is much simpler.
Drink water regularly through the day. Have some in the morning. Have some with meals. Drink more when you're active, sweating, or out in the heat. And after heavier fluid loss, think about electrolytes too, not just water. That's it.
Before we continue, please subscribe.
It's not complicated. You do not need to turn hydration into a full-time job. You also don't need to follow weird internet rules like everyone needs a gallon a day. Your needs are not the same every day. A quiet day at home is different from a hard workout day. A cool day is different from a hot day. A healthy normal day is different from a day when you're sick and losing fluids. So stop asking, how much water should I force myself to drink? Start asking, what does my body actually need today? That is a much better question. And here's a simple rule that works for most people.
Drink consistently, not aggressively. Increase fluids when losses go up. Use electrolytes when you've actually been losing a lot through sweat or illness. And don't assume that more water automatically means better hydration, because real hydration is about balance, not just volume. So no, you do not need to obsess over water. You just need to stop drinking it mindlessly.
Drink regularly. Drink more when your body needs more. And remember that after heavy sweating or fluid loss, replacing water and electrolytes makes a lot more sense than just endlessly chugging plain water. That's how you hydrate smarter.